With hot chili sauce and creamy blue cheese, the combo of spicy, zingy flavours in these buffalo chicken home fries really is something else. Start off by baking 1 kilo of cubed potatoes in a hot oven, fan 180, 200C or gas mark 6 for 40 minutes. While the potatoes are cooking, mix 50 grams of fat-free natural Greek-style yogurt with 2 level tablespoons of hot chili sauce. Shred 4 cooked and skinless chicken breasts and mix in with the yogurt. When the potatoes are cooked, top them with the chicken, 2 celery sticks, and crumble over 50 grams of Gorgonzola cheese. Drizzle over 2 more tablespoons of hot sauce and top with some fresh chives.